Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with Elf Creations and another Christmas craft. Today we're going to be using these star cutters from Poundland and these fat quarters from Poundland. Now I got both of these in January of this year. I'm hoping they'll bring both back for Christmas, but I haven't seen the fat quarters since last Christmas, so I don't know if they're coming back. But you can get fat quarters from quite a few places, or you could use dishcloths or an old shirt, that type of thing. Now this isn't anything new. I'm sure there's trillions of tutorials on this on YouTube, but I just wanted, as I'm creating most of the ornaments for my tree, I want to bring most of them to camera. So using my Tim Holt shears, I'm going to cut, so it's 3 squares wide, so one red, then the mixed, then the red, and I'm going to cut lengths all the way down. I'm going to cut multiples, and then we're going to cover those cookie cutters, and then I'm hoping to adorn them in some way, but I'm not too sure yet, or maybe put something in the middle, I don't know. So I'm going to continue to cut me some lengths of this, and then we'll come back and start the creativity. Right crafters, it's time to cover this large one. So I have my hot glue. I'm going to put some hot glue on my star, place my fat quarter of fabric into it, and I'm going to just cover this entire star. Now I'm being quite liberal because I like to get full coverage. I done this in a previous year on Create at Home with G, and I used jute twine on some plastic cookie cutters. I also did a craft on this channel where I used the cookie cutter as a light display. I'll link those videos so in the cards they pop out, or they'll be at the end. I'm also going to be using some miniature nativity figures that was sent to me by a lovely friend and subscriber. So I'm going to be using some of those in this craft, and then when I get to the end of the ribbon, the fat quarter material, I just put some glue, and then where I finished is also where I start the next piece of material. I'm being careful to make sure that the peaks, the tips of these stars is fully covered, because I don't want no silver showing through. You may have to manipulate the material to get it to go around the right way, but there you go, see, it's all nicely covered. And don't worry if you get a slight bagging in some areas, it really doesn't make any difference. It just adds to the homemade feel of it. And one thing to be careful with crafters, if you're using a metal cookie cutter, the hot glue will heat up the metal, so please take care when handling it as well. Last place, bring that up taut, and then cutting off the excess. Okay, and then inside this lovely little star, we're going to have one of the characters from this. It's from My Little Christmas. It's a nativity set. So I'm thinking I may have the angel dangling from the top. Now I just need her, actually I might see if I can get her. Come on, out you come. Where did I put the glue now? I don't know where I put the glue. There it is. Okay, she doesn't fit. So I was thinking of having, maybe, I should put the 3 wise men together really, shouldn't I? Let me take you out of there. I put one of the three wise men in one of the smaller cookie cutters, but I think I need to have them together really. As you can see, I've already stuck him into here. So let me see if I can get him to come out. Yep. Okay, let's see if I can get all the wise men into this. Because I made other ornaments using the baby Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Okay, and then I think I'm going to put the angel in this smaller one now. Yeah, that's much better. A bit of jute twine to go around the large one, and then I'm going to call these Christmas ornaments done. Now you could put some foliage at the top, you could put some glitter around the edge, but I don't want any of that to distract from the fact that I've got some of the nativity in the stars. In the medium one I put in the shepherd and his flock. So there we go, crafters. I think they're really nice, quite unusual and unique. Thank you very much for joining me today, crafters, and you'll see me again very soon with more Christmas craft. Take care now. Bye bye.